Hello, I hope all of you are in good health and doing absolutely fine. Students, on behalf of Eden IAS and DICS, first I want to extend my best wishes to all the candidates who have qualified for the Civil Services Personality Test. Now see students, what is this personality test and why is it so important? First, it is the final stage of the examination. In fact, it is your performance in the personality test that will determine that what kind of service will you get. The top ranks will be obtained by a student who does excellently well in the personality tests. So personality tests, they become very crucial for this entire civil services examination. In fact, only half the battle is won. Unless you perform really well in the personality test, you are not going to land up in the top-notch services of this country. So, to prepare all the aspirants in a holistic and comprehensive manner for the personality tests, Eden IAS along with DICS is organizing an interview guidance program. Now, this interview guidance program has been created in a wholesome manner to guide the aspirant from the ABC of the interviews till the final stage of the interviews. See, the personality test, or sometimes it is known as interviews, is actually not an interview, because an interview is one in which there is exchange of views. In the personality test, there is no exchange of views, though your views or your opinions are asked for, but actually what is being tested is your personality. What does that mean? It means that what are the values that you hold? What are your attitudes? How do you behave under stress kind of situation? The ultimate idea is to test that whether you are fit for the civil services or the bureaucracy. Do you understand that? Now, in the last year, a lot of developments have happened, and some of them have created a worldwide panic. By keeping all these developments in mind, Eden IAS has created, along with DICS, an illustrious interview panel in which there are experts and men of merit from all domains and all spheres of life who will test your personality in a wholesome and in a comprehensive manner. They will put you under stress kind of situation. They will highlight the positive traits of your personality. They will also highlight that which are the flaws in your personality, because every person has one or the other flaw in his or her personality. Now the idea when you prepare for the personality test is to hide your errors as much as you have in your personality and to showcase the positive aspects of your personality, the virtues that you possess, the positive attributes that you possess in your character. That should be the idea. Say for example, the last year was a terrible year as far as the coronavirus pandemic was concerned. And therefore, in the interview panel, we have Dr. Mohsin Wali, who has served as the chief physician for 3 presidents of India: President Shankar Dayal Sharma, President R. Venkatraman, and President Pranab Mukherjee. So who better than him can be in a position to ask you questions with respect to the worldwide pandemic? Similarly, you know that the pandemic caused a large-scale disaster in the life of the laborers and caused a huge, massive, forced migration. Many people started walking on foot when the worldwide or the countrywide lockdown was imposed. So we have in our interview panel Shri Chandra Deo, who is the Cess Commissioner, Ministry of Labour, Government of India. And you can understand that if he can ask you questions with respect to migration, then he will test your personality in that regard from the best possible way. So none better than him to ask you questions with respect to labor migration or all. Similarly, the labor migration or the pandemic, it created a lot of challenges for governance as well as administration. So in our interview panel, we have experts of governance and administration in the form of Shri Mahendra Patel, who is a retired IAS officer, and he is presently a civil services preparation mentor. We also have in our panel Shri Ajay Kumar Singh, who is a subject expert of political science, and he can ask you some important questions with respect to the administration, or what were the governance related challenges or administrative challenges that the government or the administration faced during the worldwide pandemic. If you just see students, that even in the civil services main examination 2020 written examination, a lot of questions were oriented in and around the COVID issue, either directly or indirectly, and even the ethics paper was not spared. So your values will also be checked in terms of how a civil servant should behave more or less in that kind of situation. Last year is not only significant for the pandemic, but you know that in the last year there was a high voltage standoff between India and China along the LAC. And therefore you see that defense related questions also become very pertinent for this year's personality tests. Clear? So we have in our panel Colonel Rahul Sharma, and he needs no introduction because he is one of the heroes of the Kargil war. And you know that he is a war veteran, and therefore none better than him can ask you questions with respect to defense. We also have in our panel Wing Commander Rakesh Kumar Parashar, and he is a great personality in his very right. He is presently working on Making India Safe initiative. We also have Shri Dinesh Unyal, who is a DIG CRPF. So you can understand that internal security related questions, who can ask you better questions than a DIG of the CRPF? So you can understand that this panel has been designed in such a way that it takes care of every aspect of your personality that can be tested in the light of the events that have occurred in 18 months or 15 months or so. But that is not all. You see that because of this worldwide pandemic, the labor migration, the governance and the administrative challenges, as well as the defense and internal security related issues, the country is going perhaps through one of the most bad phases of its economic growth since the 1991 liberalization. Clear? So we have in our panel Shri Sumit Balesha, who is an IRS in the Income Tax Department. We also have Mr. Sagar Rajpurohit. Sagar Rajpurohit is a chartered accountant and one of the person who has a large scale of knowledge as far as economic affairs is concerned. But after all, you see, it takes management in every aspect. After all, public services or bureaucracy is all about management. So you must also know some important traits of management. And we are lucky to announce that we have in our panel Dr. Sapna Rakesh, who is a management guru. She is presently Director IMS Ghaziabad. So students, along with this illustrious panel, I will be eagerly waiting for you to join this interview guidance program. Submit your DAFs in huge number so that the DAF can be analyzed under the expert vision of every expert from all the domains that I have just introduced. And in that way, then there will be introductory sessions, some current affairs related sessions, and finally the mock interviews. The idea behind conducting the personality test is to highlight the good aspects of your personality. Because remember students, your personality is something that you're carrying for a large number of years, say 25, 30, 31, 32, whatever be your age. You're carrying it for a long period of time that cannot be changed overnight. But your personality have some good traits that can be highlighted, and that can be done by an expert board consisting of experts who have wide array of experience in their respective fields. So hoping forward for all of you to join this program. Thank you very much.